Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint a couple of minutes ago here, and now I can unlock the device with my fingerprint. Now we can see does this feature work and how fast is it. So let's start. One, two, I'm just 3, 4. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. Just to unlock the device, just don't press it so much. You just should slightly touch it, so as you can see, so that's okay. I just not place the right side of my finger here to the scanner, that's why I just have a little bit problem with it. So as you can see, that works so fast. We can unlock the device less just than in 1 second. I suggest you to try the fingerprint unlock method, but if you don't like, for example, the passcodes, pin codes, you can try it, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock is less secure than passcode or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.